Before you even think about starting a business, there are 5 skills that will decide whether your dream becomes a reality or another unfinished idea lost somewhere on your phone's notes app. Most people fail not because they're not smart, but because they walk into business blind. They don't know what's coming. They don't know what to prepare for. They don't know the rules of the game. But you're not most people. You're here, which already puts you ahead. So today, I'm going to show you the 5 non-negotiable business skills you must master before launching anything. Skills that the world's most successful entrepreneurs learned long before they succeeded. And trust me, the skill at number 4 is something 99% of beginners completely ignore. And it destroys their business before it even starts. Let's get into it. Point 1. Decision-making under pressure. Every business rises or falls because of decisions. Not luck, not timing, not connections, just decisions. Here's the truth. When money's tight, when a supplier messes up, when a client cancels, when something unexpected breaks, you won't have the luxury of thinking for 3 weeks. You'll need to make decisions fast. One wrong choice can cost you months. One smart decision can take you years ahead. But here's the good news. Decision-making is a skill. You learn it by practicing 2 things. 1. Gathering clear information quickly. 2. Choosing based on logic, not emotion. Why do we spend more time deciding what to eat than deciding the direction of our future? Yeah, think about that. The most successful founders don't aim for perfect decisions. They aim for timely ones. And speaking of decisions, there is one major decision every business owner struggles with in the beginning. And that leads us to skill number 2, understanding money. Let me be brutally honest. If you don't understand money, money will control you. You need to learn 3 basic things. Cash flow, what's coming in and what's going out. Costs, what drains your money quietly. Pricing, why most new entrepreneurs underprice and fail. Most businesses don't die because they don't get customers. They die because they don't understand how long money lasts. Imagine your dream business collapsing simply because you didn't know how to calculate profit. It happens every single day. But the moment you understand money, business stops being scary. It becomes predictable, manageable, exciting. Now, financial skills are powerful, but they're useless if you can't master the next skill, the one that decides how fast your business grows. Point 3, communication and people skills. Business is not about products, it's about people. If you cannot talk, persuade, negotiate, explain, and understand people, your business will always struggle. And here's a question to wake you up. How many opportunities have you already lost because you were too shy to speak up? Think about it. Good communication is clear, simple, confident. You will talk to suppliers, customers, partners, maybe even employees one day. And every conversation will either push your business forward or slow it down. The exciting part? Once you master communication, people will trust you more. And trust is a currency more powerful than money. But even trust isn't enough, because business will constantly throw challenges at you. This next skill decides whether you'll survive the storm or get washed away by it. Point 4, problem solving and adaptability. And every business plan works perfectly until reality punches it in the face. Your product will fail. Your first customer might reject you. Your strategy may not work. Your ads might burn money. Your ideas might flop. And it's okay. Success belongs to the people who can solve problems fast and adapt without panicking. If you can't solve problems quickly, someone else will, and they will take the market before you even understand what happened. Problem solvers win every time. When was the last time you faced a challenge and said, "Nah, I'm done"? Exactly. You're still here. You're tougher than you think. And now, the final skill, the one every experienced entrepreneur says is the real secret behind success. Most beginners ignore it, but you won't. Point 5, long-term consistency. This is the ultimate skill, the differentiator, the reason some succeed and others disappear. Consistency. Anyone can be excited for 3 days. Anyone can start strong for 1 week. But real entrepreneurs keep going when it's boring, slow, frustrating, or uncertain. Most people quit right before their breakthrough. Think about that. They quit one step before success. Do not be that person. Consistency is the one thing you must master if you want a business that lasts. Every day you show up, even when you don't feel like it, you move 1 inch closer to your dream. Those inches add up. Now that you know the 5 skills, you're already far ahead of most new entrepreneurs. But before you go start your business, you need to understand this one truth. Is success built on motivation or discipline? Because without knowing that, you'll struggle to maintain any of these skills. Lucky for you, I made a full video on that exact question. If you found value in this video, don't stop here, because the next step in your journey is understanding the difference between motivation and discipline. The exact thing that helped Adam, one of the most inspiring entrepreneurs, succeed when everything was against him. So click on the video on your screen called How Adam Succeeded, Motivation or Discipline. And by the way, that's actually this channel's first ever video, so make sure to check it out and show some support. This is just the beginning. Your business journey starts now. Let's build something great together. And before you go, if you truly want to rewire how you think about money, discipline, and success, check out the ebook, The Subconscious Millionaire System. It's designed to help you build the mindset every entrepreneur needs. The link is in the description. Go get yours and start transforming your mindset today.